I'm in Tertsa, and this is the beach where nudity is allowed. So if you were asking me why I am here, because you can see the sun is there. If I would go this way, if I would go this way shooting, the sun will disturb this areas, it wouldn't be visible. So I begin the video from here and I will continue this side, and this area is exactly where you can be completely nude. I'm not going to go to the beach because people are there and I want to give them some privacy, but it was my job, it was my I thought maybe I should tell you, because maybe if you are into something like this, so this is your place. Come to Tertsa, okay? First you will get to the Erapedra, and then you will get to Mirtos, and if you would drive in the seaside, which we say Paraliaki, you will get to Tertsa. And if you arrive to Tertsa, and if you would come even more east, at the end you will find a parking, and if you would come even further, you will find this beach where where nudity is allowed. So I am telling you, if you are into something like this, you can come here. Okay, so from here on I will turn the camera and I will shoot the normal beach. Okay, so from here on we have this is the Tertsa beach, and this is this is the border where if you would pass, if you would go this way, from there on that's the nudity beach, and from that place to here, this is public beach where families and children are also present. So here in this area you are not allowed, but if you would cross that area, then that beach is in that beach it is allowed. And as you can see, this is the very famous, this is in many photos this place is visible. And here until this area you can find parking. And also if you have a caravan, which I learned this word new, if you have a caravan and if you have a throw hospital, you can come here, you can park here, and you can cook for yourself, and you can also put a tent and you can stay. So it's also, there is no problem if you are staying in this area. And the beach, the sand is not white sand, it is kind of dark gray sand, and it is sandy. It's not like there are not rocks or stones to hurt you, so it's pretty gradual beach, and even it's good for the children and kids. And you can see the whole beach is free. Well, today it is Tuesday, 31st of August, so probably nobody is going to be here. And in Sundays and Saturdays there is a great possibility that this beach will be full. And meanwhile I am running out of energy and out of caffeine, so I'm drinking a Monster. Come on, Red Bull. I'm drinking a Red Bull in order to keep myself awake. And please hold on for 1 minute or more, then I will show you the small little village of Tertsa and some of the shops and taverns which locates in this particular area in the world, which is called Tertsa. And there's a cat beneath my car eating something. Hey Caddy! Okay, so this is the parking that it's like not an actual parking, but it is kind of a place where you can stop the car and you can hang out and chill at the beach. Pretty much from everywhere you can get into the beach. Like Tertsa is the smaller version of Matala, something like that. I think these places are made for the cats. It's the old fashion of selling things. I have potatoes, I have onions, I have watermelons, I have many things to sell. They are all fresh. That's what he's saying. Snack bar. Sophocles with a Crete bar.
Έχω καλές πατάτες, έχω σταφύλια, πατάτες, κρεμμύδια, καρπούζια, σταφύλια, πατάτες, κρεμμύδια, καρπούζια, 3 καρπούζια, 5 ευρώ φρεσκοπωμένα καλά καρπούζια.
He's saying I have also grapes, I have watermelons, and 3 watermelons is 5 euros. And we have a place there. I don't know if it's a room. Good things happen, love is real, we will be okay. Fuck, that's so awesome.
Έχω πατάτες, έχω κρεμμύδια, έχω σταφύλια, πολύ ωραία σταφύλια, έχω πατάτες, κρεμμύδια, σταφύλια, ντόπια κρεμμύδια.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Good things happen, love is real, we will be okay. Taverna Lambros.
Έχω πατάτες ντόπιες καθαρές κοντρές πατάτες, καρπούζια, πεπόνια, σταφύλια, κρεμμύδια, πατάτες.
We have a small mini market here, and we have another gift shop where you can also find some swimming tools and stuff, and also rooms to it. And we have a very beautiful taverna in the right hand with a tree within it. And also this is the way to the beach. And if you would go this way, there are some houses.
Πατάτες, κρεμμύδια, καρπούζια,
Okay, so we have another, it's not like just too much going on in this area. It's like, okay, it's maybe some houses, some Airbnbs, some rooms to stay, and this is the way to the beach. So I will go from here to the beach. Rooms for rent. It's a very beautiful taverna. And I like the message. It says, relax, life is good. And in front of the taverna we have this place where you can sit, smoke cigarette, and you can drink your beer. And also at the night it has a light. Imagine in the night sitting here drinking beers and the beach is there. It would be amazing. And this is pretty much the rest of the beach, and some other rooms and places to stay, and pretty long beach in front, and also parking there, small little area where you can just casually park your car. Okay, so pretty much this was it, Tertsa. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you have any thoughts, any comments, please let me know in the comment section. And other than that, until the next time, peace.